Hi, hello folks and professionals. Let's welcome back. Let's learn. The topic is it's a simple topic. Don't worry. Maybe you might also face this error while adding new line items at the time of delivery before doing PCI. Okay, let's try to understand this. So for creating, so it's a mistake in the practice system, probably like it might be wrong configuration. Let's try to understand for delivery creation VL01N and VL02N with the transaction. You know very well there is nothing much to explain. Okay, first let's create an order. Fine. Okay. So initially you had a two quantity and you had a two more quantity. Let's save this order first. Now try to create a delivery now. Okay. So press enter. So naturally, this is the way, suddenly you came to know that you got some requirement, you would like to increase the quantity with additional lines. That's what the expectation from end user. Okay. What you have to do is naturally, you will take a couple of lines with 5 quantity. You want like that. Okay. Maybe they have reasons while packing. Maybe they have reasons while picking the quantity. Maybe they have reasons XYZ. Okay. So when you do this, you pick this quantity as well as with the same delivery present. Okay. Choose the storage location, same storage location, no problem with the same plant. Here is the twist. Okay. Now you're supposed to do the PCA better. Let's click this. What happens? See, you got a strange error. How do you track this error? First check where this 561. 561 is actually, posting the stock. Okay, go to the screen. You can see this. So 601, 601, there is no problem with TAN item category. There is some problem with these two lines. Okay, what you have to do this. Okay, so don't create this delivery. Okay, go to Vivo V6. So it's locked by me or someone else. But let's try to. Okay, before that, you just try to check. DLN is the item category. Okay, Vivo V5. Okay, so if you go for TAN, it's fine with CP or CN. Okay, there is some issue with the DLN configuration. DLN, you have CN. Okay, let's come here. So CN is there, no problem. So Vivo V6, Vivo V6 now. Okay, where is CN? So this is a place, instead of 601, it is assigned 561. You have to correct this configuration. Okay. Fine, no problem. It's a practice system. You can say the TR wherever you want it. Press enter. Good to go. Let's check this. Before that, before or after, you can choose this one. This. Okay. Okay, now I'm good. I'm good. This also I took it good. Let's see two more additional line items after our configuration fix. Okay. Then I press enter. So it is asking about the quantity 5. Okay. And here also 5. Okay. So now let's choose the storage location. No problem. And pick the quantity. So now go to the goods movement data. So now you got it right. It is coming with 601. Previously, it came these two lines with the DLN item category. That means DLN means delivery without reference. Remember this. You might have chance to get entry question on this. Okay. See, why you guys are so worrying about all this exits, enhancement, that thing that we can handle in real time. There is no problem. Suppose if I save on exit, can you able to write a code? Can you able to suppose if I give one BAPI, can you able to write a program? If I give any background job, can you copy and write any custom program? So what is your scope? You try to use your brain, whether it is interview or else be confident. Always learn standard. Keep on telling 840 videos plus videos finished. Still you are not caring. I am 11 years old consultant. Please understand. Have a scope. Okay. Wherever you go, some kind of nasty guys will be there in entry board also. Don't worry about that. It's not your cup of tea. The place where you have to challenge and work, that is more important. Let's discuss this is later. Okay. Now you fixed this issue. Sometimes in support, just go live. If you added any certain line item with maybe new item category or else a different item category group, you might face some issues. Such a case, you have to use. Okay, no problem. You can learn slowly. I'm also like you only, no problem. Okay, let's create the bill also. This much we have done. Why we have to wait? If any issue comes, bill also we have to check for this fix. Okay, all 4 lines copied, no issues. Okay, this cancel. I don't want to see the output. Let's go to change and let's click on accounting. Good. It's fixed rent end. Okay. So why I'm showing this kind of things, like it may in your real time or practice system. I don't want to waste your time for that matters. Okay. I think you have learned something. So I would request, okay, only one thing. So this is my YouTube channel currently holding somewhere like 840 plus videos. If you really want, you can subscribe here. This is my dedicated uh, Udemy forum currently holding 6,000 plus students. Of course, I have free courses, don't worry. So this is the place where my total SD course 114 hours with 433 lectures. I'm just trying to add this video also over there. And if you really want to learn the real-time idocs, you can try this course. This is getting mastered right a functional specification. Okay. So all these are the different courses at mind. If you really like it, you can subscribe and increase your knowledge. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. And what do you want more? Jai Bharat.